Hey guys, welcome back. So, my apologies for not posting in a while. I've been up to a few things. I've got a few parts on the order, still waiting for them to come in. So, the big update, the big news I should say, is I'm changing my rigs from the shelf style setup to a rack mount server style setup. So, I've went ahead, I've got a server style box, or a server rack I should say, and I've ordered server style boxes to put GPUs in off of eBay actually. You can get them other places, Amazon for example, Alibaba, whatever your heart desires. The main idea behind it is it's going to save me a lot of. I'll be posting videos, pros, cons, how I did the setup, what I like about it, what I upgraded, what I decided not to upgrade, which was fine to leave, what I switched around, all those kind of goody stuff. So I'll give you guys a sneak peek. This is the rack we had before, and right there behind me, that black box, is the server box that I've recently acquired. Now, it's a 42U box, so which is 42 unit box. You could fit comfortably 5 server style, so you don't have to have a huge setup with all the shelves. If you're doing this at home, this will save you a lot of space. If you're doing it in a warehouse, then obviously you wouldn't care unless you want to maximize the room. Videos are to follow. Stay tuned for more.